If you ask any architect what their most important building is, it would be a place of worship, a place of sanctuary. Hi, I'm Tom Kundig. Today we're at Seattle Unity. Well, right now we're in the sanctuary, and this is the moment where everybody gathers. This is the most important center of this place. And it's also the place where we get that full story. We get that yin and yang of the experience of being in a city, but adjacent to the nature of nature. Places of worship, we're almost closed to the street, closed to the outside. This is a very modern building that's it's more generous to the outside. I know that nature is a very important part of Seattle Unity's message, and that's what we've tried to do, is open it as much as possible. This is Unity Hall. It's Unity's gift back to the city. It's a community gathering space, but it's more of a community gathering space for the entire community of Seattle. You're invited to come here on special occasions to have special events. We live in a kind of a perfect place. The climate, the landscape of Seattle allows that somewhat seamless relationship between the inside and the outside. And that's very much the spirit of this room, that you can basically open this room to an outdoor terrace. So the outdoor terrace becomes the indoor terrace and vice versa. So there's that sort of seamless relationship that is very much part of the Seattle landscape. Well, the meditation hall is in some ways the most impactful moment for experience of worship, of sanctuary. And yet this moment is on a public street, on a public corner. So if you think about it as you walk in, you recognize that right outside is the chaos of the city, and here is the moment of peace and quiet. And it's also the moment that is most sort of introverted. It also has the moment that is most extroverted, which is a skylight to the cosmos. What's important about the shape, the curved shape, is that it is an embracing shape. And I think that makes people feel comfortable, makes them feel safe. This is a 100-year, maybe a 200-year building. And to imagine the privilege, the honor of working on a project that has that kind of lifespan in this kind of community, for this community, what more could you ask?